Now let me introduce our IEE's portable power station. Single 1000 outdoor power station is with 1000 watt rated power and 1008 watt-hour capacity. It supports 8000 watt super fast charge and with multiple BMS protection functions. More details of the product, let's show you later. Open the box. The foam inside can effectively protect the product during transportation. There is a handle on the top of the product. One person can carry it out with one hand. It is not too big. It is equipped with user manual, AC charging cable, car charging cable, and solar charging cable. Singo supports super fast charging. Its maximum charging power is 800 watt. No need for an adapter. A single cable can achieve fast charging. Looking at the product, there are 11 output ports and 2 input charging ports. The LCD display screen is in front of the product. You can check the working status of the Singo at any time. The front and left sides of the power station are the output area, and the right side is the input area. Looking at the Singo, the middle button is the main power switch. 2 Type-C ports support 100 watt PD fast charge output. One USB-A port supports up to 12.5 watt output. The other 2 Quick Charge 3.0 support 28 watt respectively. These can basically satisfy the needs of mobile phone and tablet charging. 2 DC 5525 output ports support 12-volt 10-amp output. This DC switch controls the DC 5525 output and the cigarette lighter output. Singo also comes with an LED light. Left side output area is with 2 DC output ports. The AC output specification is sine wave 220 volt 50 Hz, and the rated power is 1000 watt. Singo is with smart drive, so it can support 1000 to 3000 watt resistive load electronics. This is an independent AC switch button. Click there to turn on or off the AC output power. Car cigarette lighter port supports 12-volt 10-amp output. The cooling vent is above the AC port. The right side of the power station is input charging area. This is the solar car input. Solar charging and car charging are the same port. The maximum power of solar charging is 200 watt, and the maximum power of car charging is 120 watt. AC input charging port is in the middle, and this is the overload protection function button. When the AC charging input current is continuously greater than 15 amp, the button will pop up to protect the AC input charging port. If this happens, you can wait 3 to 5 seconds to confirm that the power station is not faulty. Press this protection switch to resume charging. The label is marked with detailed specifications, including input, output, 1008 watt-hour capacity, and other information. The cooling vent is on the right side of the label. Let's show how to turn on or off the portable power station. Press the main power switch for a short time to turn it on. Press the main power switch about 3 to 5 seconds to shut it down. Press the main switch. The LCD display shows the status bar, including remaining power, remaining charging time, input charging power, output power, port use, battery status, etc. It has 3 types of LED lighting: strong light, weak light, and SOS rescue signal flash. The top is the wireless charging area. It could support 10-watt QI wireless charging. Press the AC switch and the ambient light will light up. Singo has many output interfaces, and it is with high power and high capacity of 1008 watt-hour, which can power various kinds of electronics. Let's use the toaster. The power of toaster is 650 watt. Normally, we would use it for 1 to 2 minutes. Let's use a kettle to boil water. The power of the kettle is 1500 watt. During the working process, the LCD screen will automatically sleep after half an hour. Short pressing the main switch, the screen can be redisplayed. LCD screen sleep will not affect product working. Singo comes with its own smart drive technology, even if it is a 1500 watt electronics. Singo can run at 1000 watt of power, and it takes a few minutes to boil water. Car cigarette lighter port supports 12-volt 10-amp output. Let's use the small refrigerator. Firstly, press the DC switch, then connect the cigarette butt. The small refrigerator can work normally. In terms of charging, Singo portable power station supports power grid charge, solar charge, and car charger. Also, Singo is with built-in bidirectional inverter, no additional adapter required. With 800 watt fast charging, it can be charged to 80% in 1 hour. Now we are charging from the power grid. The charging rate is up to 800 watt input power in a few seconds.